In wanting to run a business from an ownership perspective, the best thing in hoops and gears in tracking our parts and different areas for inventory is we're able to split it up. They have flow where I call them buckets. They probably don't like that I call it buckets. We have buckets where people can get the work done in that section, so all the parts need to be received. And when the screen is blank, the work is done. And it's very organized, and you can teach people how to do that as an actual owner, and you don't have to be there constantly retraining, constantly teaching people how to receive all these parts or enter them into inventory. All those different screens are workflow where the person can complete their work and know that it's done. Do a daily check and know that when this is clean, I'm ready to go home. That really helped us train all of our people how to keep track of parts and inventory in a way where we weren't guessing at what we were losing or coming statement time and having a giant mess on our hands, trying to figure out who signed for what or what went with what customer. So it was important to us to have screens and workflow that people could easily wrap their minds around by saying, when the work on this screen is completed, I know that things are clean and ready to be advanced to the next department. Buckets. Everything's a bucket in software to me.